My name is Dickie. Today, a special dish come from Guangdong, southern China. Chinese cuisine pork stir fry with garlic chew is the favorite meat when eating in home or eating out. Our Linda will be doing a special presentation step by step. Enjoy cooking at home. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Linda. Today we will talk about shredded pork and garlic chives is a classic dish in Chinese cuisine that showcases the simplicity and deliciousness of traditional home cooking. This dish originates from the Shandong province of China, where garlic chives are grown abundantly and are a staple ingredient in many dishes. The combination of tender, juicy pork with the aromatic and slightly pungent taste of garlic chives creates a harmonious and flavorful dish that is loved by many. We provide detailed instructions on how to cook a traditional Chinese dish of shredded pork and garlic chives, including all the necessary ingredients and step-by-step cooking instructions. Make sure to highlight any specific techniques or tips that are essential for achieving the authentic flavors and textures of this dish. Now we will be preparing the ingredient list. 4 teaspoons of sesame oil, 4 teaspoons of Chinese cooking wine, 3 tablespoons light soy sauce, 600 g lean pork, shredded 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 6 large dried shiitake mushrooms, soaked in hot water, 8 thin slices of ginger, finely shredded 1 cup 80 g carrot, julienne red capsicum, julienne 3 teaspoons corn flour, 1 cup 250 milliliters chicken stock, white pepper. To taste 10 garlic chives, cut into 3 centimeters pieces. First, we will marinate the pork. In a bowl, combine the pork strips with soy sauce, oyster sauce, Shaoxing wine, sugar, cornstarch, salt, and white pepper. Mix well to ensure the pork is evenly coated in the marinade. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. The combination of tender, juicy pork with the aromatic and slightly pungent taste of garlic chives creates a harmonious and flavorful dish that is loved by many. This dish is perfect for a weeknight dinner or a special occasion, as it is quick and easy to prepare while still being full of flavor. The tender pork, combined with the fresh and crisp garlic chives, creates a dish that is both comforting and satisfying. Enjoy this traditional Chinese dish with your family and friends, and savor the flavors of authentic Chinese home cooking. Now we start cooking. Number 1. Mix the sesame oil, wine, and half the soy sauce in a bowl. Add the pork and combine ingredients until well coated. Set aside for 10 minutes. Number 2. Heat the vegetable oil in a wok or frying pan until hot. Stir-fry the pork with the mushrooms, ginger, carrot, and capsicum until almost cooked, about 5 minutes. Number 3. Mix the corn flour and stock and add to the wok with the remaining soy sauce. Cook, stirring constantly, until the sauce thickens and becomes translucent, about 10 minutes. Number 4. Add the pepper and chives, stir for 30 seconds, and serve immediately. Let's find out more about this cooking. Did you know? In China, it is considered an honor to receive a bag of dried mushrooms as a birthday gift or at New Year's, as some mushrooms are very expensive to buy and are believed to assist in maintaining good health. Mushrooms can even be purchased gift wrapped. Recipe variation: shredded beef or lamb can be used in this recipe instead of pork. If you like spicy dishes, you could add a thinly sliced red chili and a celery stick, or a teaspoon of chili bean paste to pep up this rather mild stir-fry. Substitutes: you can use dry sherry to replace the Chinese cooking wine. You can use 6 sliced small button mushrooms in place of the shiitake mushrooms. You can use 3 spring onions, shallots in place of the garlic chives. Health watch: use a non-stick pan to cook this dish without oil. Make sure the pan is very hot before you begin. Serving suggestions: Serve this dish with a large bowl of plain white rice. Place the shredded pork on an oval plate and garnish with parsley sprigs and sliced or ornately cut radishes or cherry tomatoes. Wines and drinks. Serve a white wine such as a wooded Chardonnay with this dish. Or try a refreshing, freshly brewed jasmine tea. Use descriptive language and vivid imagery to engage the reader and make the cooking process enjoyable and accessible. Cooking shredded pork and garlic chives at home is not only delicious but also cost-effective. By using simple and affordable ingredients, you can create a restaurant-quality dish at a fraction of the cost. I have always been a fan of shredded pork and garlic chives, and love cooking it at home for family and friends. The sizzling sound of the chicken as it cooks in the cast iron pan never fails to make mouths water and set the stage for a fantastic meal. And you can start an online business just by cooking at your home. Enjoy learning and cooking at home. My mentor Dickie will be teaching how you can craft a detailed and mouth-watering recipe for the beloved. And do it at your home, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your specialty at your home for a business online. For more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website, https://plursalsfunnel.com.